Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install paid themes from the oxygenos 12 theme store for free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we have started getting a theme store with oxygenos 12 where you can get various themes to customize your OnePlus device. But most of the good themes in the theme store are paid and you get only 5 minutes free trial. But now I'll show you how you can get all the paid themes for free. So if I check the about info section of theme store, you can see that the version is 8.2. Now I have linked a modded theme store in the description. Thanks to TechieB for sharing the APK. Download this APK and if you see the theme store version of this APK is version 8.3. So you just need to install this APK over the previous version. Now if we go into the about info section of theme store, you can see that the version is 8.3. Now let's just go into the theme store. If we apply any theme now, it will just stay on the device without any time limit. So let's select a theme and click on free trial for 5 minutes. Don't worry guys, the theme will stay even after 5 minutes. So you can see that the time currently is 5:29 PM and I will show you the device after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see that the theme is still there and it doesn't go away. And so the theme is applied permanently. You can choose from any of the paid themes and enjoy on your device. And not just only themes, you can also use it for fonts and wallpapers also. As you can see, even after 5 minutes, the font is still there and it is also applied permanently. So you can enjoy any paid theme and font on your device now. One thing to notice is that do not update the theme store application guys, and even if it gets updated on its own, just go to app info, uninstall updates from the theme store and install the modded application. That's all for the small video. Enjoy all the paid themes on your OnePlus device. Comment down if you are facing any problems with the APK. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you.